Hi, I'm Steve Pattison. I am the Industrial Product Manager. I've been with Stonehard for a little over 10 years now. And today we're going to be talking about epoxy versus polyurethane flooring and some of the differences and benefits of each. Epoxy floors are generally harder, making them more resistant to scratches and dents. And urethane flooring is less rigid and offers better impact resistance due to the added flexibility and elasticity. Both epoxy and urethane flooring are used in industrial and commercial settings. It's all really dependent on the situation, the environment, and the conditions that the floor is going to be installed in. In a commercial kitchen with high temperatures and heavy traffic, urethane flooring would be recommended. Another example where urethane flooring would be recommended is in an operating room. Since urethane flooring is resilient, it provides comfort underfoot for surgeons who stand for hours at a time and protects against dropped surgical instruments. Because of its abrasion resistance and impact resistance, epoxy systems work well in industrial environments like a warehouse where there's constant forklift traffic, heavy cart traffic, and industrial equipment being used throughout the day. Both epoxy and urethane systems will meet the demands of high foot traffic. Urethane floors are generally more chemical resistant to a wider variety of chemicals, but each situation should be evaluated on a project-to-project basis because there are certain instances where epoxy may be the better solution than a urethane flooring and vice versa. Urethane flooring offers better protection against UV exposure than epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring is much more prone to yellowing and chalking when exposed to UV over time. Epoxy and urethane floors take about the same time to install. The big thing with urethane flooring is some of the formulas have an accelerated cure time. So when they're installed, they just take less time to cure, so there's less downtime. Epoxy and urethane offer a wide variety of color options, the ability to customize, there's different patterns, and you can add logos to each of the floors. When they are properly installed and maintained, epoxy and urethane floors can have a long lifespan. A lot of it depends on the environment that the floor sees on a daily basis. Different variables include chemical exposure, the amount of traffic, and UV stability. If one floor sees more than another floor of those variables, then it's not going to last as long. But we have had Stonehard floors that are still in operation today that have been installed for over 30 years. Choosing between epoxy and urethane flooring will depend on your specific area's needs and requirements. Your local Stonehard territory manager will come on site, evaluate the area, and help you come up with the best solution for that area, whether it be epoxy or urethane.